Hey guys!
It's McPherson Sisters.
We're back.
Again.
Yes.
So today we've decided to do an unboxing haul.
Yes.
Because we've been ordering a little bit too much while we're in isolation.
Yes. Way too much.
A lot of activewear.
But I mean, what else is there to do while we're in isolation? So just go online shopping.
Exactly.
But the brand we're going to be unboxing today is RYDER WEAR. Literally my favorite clothes, sporting clothes brand
So
ever.
good.
Oh,
I'd have
so
to say
good.
my favorites would be Muscle Nation,
This is not sponsored at all, just by the way.
Muscle Nation, Ect, and RYDER WEAR.
Yeah.
Gymshark's good, but they're expensive and they don't normally have sales. But these, especially
do have
RYDER WEAR,
sales, yeah.
have sales, which is good. And Muscle Nation.
So we just thought we should let you know what we've got, and
I just want to open it. Can
I know. Yeah. Okay, let's get into
Okay.
it. So the packaging when you get it looks like this. It says RYDER WEAR on the front. It's very classy.
That's just nice.
Oh, that's just like the
Okay.
address and stuff.
This
How much did you get? This is all her.
This is mainly mine. Bailey's got hers there.
Yeah, I've got mine.
RYDER WEAR. I'm pretty sure this
It
is
comes in a
sports,
clear
sports bra I got. Open up here so you can see it.
I'll chuck the rubbish. So it comes in another wrapping as well. Comes with the tags and everything on it. Wow.
That's nice.
What does it say?
It
Inside?
comes with boob cups in it, so that's good. You don't need to worry about it.
That's so soft.
It is really nice.
It's really nice thick material too.
Yeah, the quality is actually the elastic in it seems not too tight, but thick.
Yeah.
I'll have to see when I put it on how that sits.
In the middle here, we'll put a little every little
Everything
clothes
we try
unbox. Yeah, we'll put a photo in the middle so you can actually see what it looks like on, how it fits.
Yeah.
And everything.
Oh, I like that it has this at the back too. It's like a little metal.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You can see it. It's a little. That just represents mainly the brand. and
Yeah,
stuff,
but
which is
it's
good though. It shows that
shows
you
good
bought it
quality.
from, yeah.
Okay.
So that's the first thing we got. We'll put this. Should we put it behind us?
Yeah.
We'll put it behind us.
Sure.
So we'll insert a photo
Now,
there.
I'm pretty sure I got these
To match.
These probably to match.
Exactly the same packaging.
Same thing, RYDER WEAR.
Yeah.
It's actually really nice packaging. It looks really nice and pro.
Yeah,
Looks good.
classy. I think these actually match. So when we insert the picture,
yeah.
I think we'll put these together. We'll pair them together to show you how they look.
These are scrunch bum tights, which I have a lot of Muscle Nation, but I've never got.
Now we'll show you in the photo
RYDER WEAR.
how good these make them look. Butt look. They make them look so
and
good.
it says RYDER WEAR down the
It
side.
has so this is what they look like straight
At the front.
and then they have a thing on the side and then the back.
Oh,
And they're
nice.
thick material too. They're
Yeah.
just as thick, but they're also airy enough for you to sweat and not feel too
Hopefully.
Yeah,
Hopefully the band at the top, it feels really thick. I hope it's not too
tight.
tight.
I'm
Crisps
sure
in.
it won't, but yeah.
But you'll see in the photo.
You'll see in the photo, and if we do this, then that means it's good.
Done. Okay, next. Oh, this one is different. It has a little zip. Love those
Classy.
bags. I keep these bags. Put random stuff in there.
Yeah, they're actually good. You can just put some when you go away or something.
Oh. Do you want to keep that?
Keeping it nice and safe.
These feel so soft. These are seamless. They're from the Seamless Wear.
Oh
They're
my
really
god,
nice.
they're
So good.
This is what they look like. So they have obviously the RYDER WEAR logo on the side. Same with every crop top and every pant you get. They always have the logos. This is what they look like. They have little netting sort of thing.
I love
And they're
that
very stretchy.
the bottom has no seams on it. It's
Yeah.
nice.
And the top as well. Very stretchy too.
That'll really suit.
And
your
I
figure.
reckon it sticks to people's figures. I reckon it
Lovely.
shapes and we'll insert a photo there too.
This is
Got
a
a
matching
lot.
top for that. So
Yeah,
same.
so we'll match them together. Same little zippy
Same.
unlock.
Oh. This is a long sleeve top.
Wow. Obsessed.
Wow, that's really nice.
This is just like the pants, just as soft, just as stretchy.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
It has
I
It has also elastic at the bottom, so it actually sticks to you, so it doesn't shrink down and stuff when you're
Now
doing
I'll have to
workouts.
see when I put it on I got a small. I got extra small in my tights because I'm normally extra small down the bottom and a small at the top.
Yeah.
But I think I probably could have gone extra small because it's so stretchy.
Yeah.
Oh, you'll see in the
I wouldn't be
photo.
fooled by that though. Yeah.
I don't know. It's just so stretchy. I reckon I could have gone extra small.
We'll show in the photo, and if even the photo, if we like pull it down and we're like it's too big, maybe if you're looking at getting some RYDER wear, like maybe like go smaller. Oh, and it also comes with
Little
thumb
finger
holes.
That's cool.
That's so cool.
Okay. I think I'm getting to the end maybe. Oh, no. Okay.
Same. Oh, this is like the pull.
Oh, I love this. Okay, so that's the front, which is nice.
This is nice. This is nice.
But don't you just love the back? I love the back.
That's
It's
so
got
pretty.
like a racing. It's like a racing.
It's like
stripe.
a race stripe, but like down in the middle of your
I
back.
love that. And it has inbuilt cups in it, so it's like a
So you don't need to wear another bra.
yeah, but it's
underneath
not
to
like a
support
sports
yourself.
bra. It's like more of a top. Like that would come down a bit longer at me, but that still has
Yeah.
cups in it, which is really nice.
That's really cool. It also, of course, has the logo. The stitching and everything's really nice. Like there's no like stitching.
That is
on
really
them.
nice. I love
Really
that.
nice and thick also. Wow,
Yeah.
that's so cool. Done. Is this the last one?
Yeah.
Last one.
Ooh.
What's
Oh, I
this?
know what these are.
Oh, I know what these are too.
They are the cargo blue seamless
tights. They look
Oh, they're
stunning.
nice. You have these in grey, don't you?
I'll actually show you. I have these in grey. These are
look
so.
really nice.
They actually have netting
Knitting at the bottom.
at the bottom, and they're very stretchy.
Seamless. I love seamless.
We'll show you We'll show you all with pictures, but they really like shape to anyone's body. Like they stick to your body shape. It's not like they have a gap at the top because you should be a different
Yeah,
shape.
they really stick.
They stick to your body.
I actually ordered these because Bailey got
I ordered them, and they look
and
so
they were
good.
so nice.
So we'll have to insert a photo. Anyway, with the stuff that I got, I actually got it yesterday in the mail, but I was a bit too impatient and I had to undo it. But I will still show you what I got, just, you know.
It's from RYDER WEAR.
It's from RYDER WEAR too. And it looks like I've got it in grey.
Nice.
And it, of
I love
course,
these.
has the netting at the bottom. It's so
Thank
stretchy.
you. I really like that the waist also is like quite thick, so it
I
like
love
pulls you
thick
in.
waistbands. I love it because like it just makes you look a lot more slimmer as
Yeah,
well.
pulls you in.
Perfect for when you're working out. So I got this, and of course for a matching, I got the RYDER WEAR
Long
top,
sleeve top.
but it's like a long sleeve. It's like the one that you showed, the pink one. It's like the
yeah,
pink
but
one.
it's got an extra band on it,
But
which
it's
is
a
quite
lot
nice.
thinner because as you can see in the background, you can actually see the light. It is thinner, but that's actually really good because when you sweat, it's like just it airs a lot. It's really good, but it's actually got a
So
hole.
this band sits around the front like that.
Very stretchy. This is an extra small, which on me, like I'll show you in the photos.
Fits
it
well.
fits pretty well, and I actually got a small in the tights. But yeah, so that's what I got,
Yeah.
and that's pretty much it.
And that's our unboxing.
So we'll put photos in so you guys can see it.
Yeah.
But we hope you guys enjoyed this. Be sure that there'll be a lot more of these because we love this brand.
Yeah.
Even just a lot more clothing.
I-
hauls. We order a lot.
I'm pretty sure I have Eft and Muscle Nation on their way.
Yes. I'm pretty sure I have some more RYDER WEAR on its way in the mail. Yeah. I forgot to tell you, I think I actually ordered it last night.
You'll probably
Be
see more
sure
of
for
these.
more. Yeah. But we hope you enjoyed. Leave in the comments below what you want to know, like see next time, and subscribe, like, follow us on Instagram, like,
And
just for
we'll-
daily updates of like what we wear. And yeah,
We'll see you soon.
bye guys.
Bye.